Thanks for the save, bud. Whoa! Again.
There's nothing like it, not like the way you move. I can try, but I can't hide it from you. 'Cause I can't wait for you.
It's all over now.
Or is it?
No!
But it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn